Hello everyone. Celebrating the Tigers' victory. The moment when fans jump into the river is a symbol of joy and excitement. This time, I'll talk in detail about the reasons behind this. Let's get into it. 1. Explosion of emotions and liberation. Winning is the culmination of a long season and the efforts of the players. It's a moment where fans hold strong emotions. The joy and excitement are often more intense than usual, and jumping into the river allows them to explode and be liberated. 2. Historical significance. In certain teams or regions, rivers or bodies of water may play a significant role. Jumping into that place during a victory adds a historical significance, etching the moment of triumph into eternity. 3. Empathy and unity. Fans coming together and sharing their joy symbolizes empathy and unity. Jumping into the river unites all fans present, allowing them to share their passionate feelings for the team. 4. Unity with the players. Players also share in the joy and excitement, forming a sense of unity with the fans. The players' participation alongside the fans in their happiness creates special memories for the fans. 5. Creating everlasting memories. Winning is a moment that remains as a lifelong memory. Jumping into the river as a part of this celebration makes the significant moment even more vivid, providing a means to etch it into the heart forever. However, safety always comes first. Before jumping into the river, thoroughly assess the surroundings and the condition of the water to ensure there are no dangers. It's crucial to enjoy in a safe location. How did you find it? The sight of Tigers fans jumping into the river alongside their victory is truly a special moment. If you also wish to share in this excitement, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. We'll continue to bring you the latest information and fascinating topics, so be sure to check out our channel. Until next time in our next video.